G'day guys and welcome back. This is AK from Medellin Real Estate Investments, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of this beautiful two-level penthouse in Alejandría, El Poblado. This is a neighborhood in El Poblado which is 12 minutes walk from Provenza, which is the main entertainment district. This one is pretty big, 300 square meters, or for all you Americans, 3,200 square feet, split over two levels. As I said, that was just the balcony, as we saw, one of many actual balconies in this apartment. One thing I really like about it is that basically wherever you go, there's beautiful views. Here's a little TV alcove that the current owners have made that spot into. And here is the dining table, dining room, and kitchen. And here's one of the other kind of tiny balconies I told you about. These are located all around the house, so if you enjoy views, then you're going to enjoy this penthouse. Here is the kitchen that we're looking at, open space, and it has an island benchtop and American style bar is what they call it. Someone asked me that, why is it American style bar? I don't know, that's what they call it, and that's the name that we're going with. Here it is. I guess it's when you have like the benchtop and then the two chairs on the other side. But anyway, I digress. Let's go up the stairs and check out what is up there. So this one is 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, and it also includes a maid's quarters. In traditional Colombian houses, the maid often used to live with them, so they had a place for the maid to sleep as well, which makes sense. The HOA fees on this one, guys, is approximately $414 per month. And the quarterly taxes, quarterly means once every 3 months, $486. If you want that figure in Colombian pesos, then just check out the description of this video. Here is the first bedroom, first of 3 bedrooms. You'd think if you walked up here, they'd be like, this is awesome. This is the master bedroom, or primary bedroom, we should call it. But no, it's not. It's just a bedroom. It's pretty turnkey, guys. I mean, depends how you want to live. You could move in and just live in it immediately. You could put it on Airbnb immediately, or you could put some money into a renovation and make it really, really top notch as well. The option is yours. There's the second bedroom as well. This one is much like the first bedroom, except it doesn't have, you know, those big windows and that great views as the first one had. And now let's head to the primary bedroom, the main bedroom. This one is obviously a lot bigger, as you can see, and look at that view. Absolutely incredible. Imagine waking up to that, turning off your alarm. Not that you should be setting an alarm if you've moved to Medellin, because now you live in the relaxed lifestyle. We'll go back and have a look at that again in a sec. The price on this apartment is 1.785 billion Colombian pesos, which translates to approximately $434,000. The price you see is for the apartment unfurnished, but if you want it completely turnkey, you can also negotiate a price to get all the furniture included and have it completely furnished, ready to go. And here is a big secret, a sauna, or a hot, what do you call that? A steam room. Pretty cool. And you can be in the steam room, come out, and once again, there's a view. I told you there's views from basically everywhere in this apartment, hey? Now, second big surprise. Here's a closet. Lots of space, huh? Well, psych, it's not finished yet. There's actually stairs in the walk-in wardrobe, and it has a second level. This apartment building also comes with a pool, gardens, and the playground if you have kids. It's got 24/7 gated security and comes with 2 parking spaces and a storage unit as well. If you want to see this place, or you want to see something else like it, or maybe you want to see something completely different, then just click the link in the description, fill out the form, and one of our agents will be in touch ASAP to get you into one of these apartments looking at a view just like this.